Welcome to another episode of One or More, where I try to make you laugh one or more times. Let's get started. Today is May the 4th, which is typically known as Star Wars Day, or as Comic-Con cosplay fans call it, Sex with Aliens Day. In Washington, many people are shocked that even the Supreme Court of the United States experienced a leak. However, with all the justices being 50 years or older, I'm sure there's many more leaks taking place. It's been reported that Russian President Vladimir Putin will soon undergo cancer surgery. Due to the nature of the brutal dictator, it'll be the first time that doctors announce he's cancer-free before surgery. And finally, comedian Dave Chappelle was attacked on stage during one of his comedy shows. I'm going to guess the attacker was half-baked and didn't realize this Dave Chappelle was now this Dave Chappelle. That is the news and jokes for May 4th. If I made you laugh once, then please hit that like button. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow.